Welcome to BYJU'S IAS. This is the study material provided by the BYJU'S IAS. This is the side view. Let's start the unboxing. ये इसका ओवरव्यू है। स्टार्टिंग में जनरल स्टडीज आपको देखने को मिल रहा है। UPSC Civil Service Examination General Studies Previous Year Solved Papers are given in this book. इसका इंडेक्स 2011 से 2019 तक के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्यूशन दिया गया है। This is the second book, General Studies Prelims Paper First and Second, 2011 to 2020, Preliminary Paper 1 and Paper 2, Year Wise and Topic Wise Solved Papers. इसका इंडेक्स है जैसा आप देख पा रहे हैं। This is Challenges to Internal Security of India. Internal Security of India, 3rd edition. History of Modern India by Bipin Chandra. This is the history of medieval India by Satish Chandra. International Relation. UPSC General Studies Prelims and Mains. This is the Environmental Studies for Undergraduate Courses, 2nd edition book. Indian Economy by Nitin Singhania. This is Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude by G. Subbarao, P. N. Rao Chaudhary. This is 4th edition of CSET General Studies, concise for Civil Service Examination. This is the 6th edition of Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant. This is the 3rd edition of Indian Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania. This is R.S. Sarma, Indians Ancient Past, Oxford. This is the Disaster Management for IAS. This is Science and Technology. This is BYJU'S IAS, Governance, Society and Social Justice. BYJU'S IAS, World History and Post-Independence History. This is Black Swan Atlas for competitive examinations. This is the last book, BYJU'S IAS Geography. These are nearby 18 books of different subject, including all the syllabus of UPSC IAS CSE examination. Thank you for watching this video and giving your time.